Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. I'm going to be giving you a little look inside my fall winter bag. But before we get into that, if you are new here, my name's Emily. I make fashion videos, I thrift, I style, and soon I'm going to be looking for a new home. So if you want to follow along on the journey, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so just for dramatic effect, I put my bag back in its duster so that you guys could see the brands. So it's Ferragamo, purely for dramatic effect, okay? But this is my fall winter bag. This is gonna be like my #1 go-to for this fall winter. As you can see, she is the perfect shades of chocolate. You have like this dark chocolate brown and then this milk chocolate brown. It's structured just enough, and then it has that like perfect little slouchy moment. It fits perfectly on my shoulder, which I love. I also like wearing it like this on my arm. And then, of course, for like the extra slouch effect, just holding it in my hand. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so let me show you inside my bag. So, first, bag tour. This is the front of the bag. This little piece here is a magnet, and it has, there's another magnet right here. It goes right behind the Ferragamo symbol right there, and that kind of like locks up the bag. So, you open this. We open that, and then there is a pocket right here. I don't really keep anything in there, just not something that I do. I always just usually keep that empty. So then we go in to my bag. We have a zipper compartment back here, and then we have 2 pockets right here, and then just the middle empty space. So what's in my bag? I will show you. Okay, so on the side pockets, I like to carry makeup. So this is my first pocket, is my makeup pocket. I carry the Refi blush. I'm gonna take it back to the old days. Can you see that? This Refi blush, it's I kind of throw my brush in there and pat it on my cheeks. So it has a little bit of a, not a cute texture, but I love this color. But I like to put it in my bag without my brush, and then if I need like a little pick-me-up on my cheeks, I just, you know, dab and apply. I think that's like easier than carrying a brush around. Also, sometimes, you know, like throughout the day, you are like wiping your face and touching your face, and I try not to touch my face, but sometimes it's inevitable, or even I'll like sit like this. So I like to carry my Refi blush in case I need to reapply. I also have my trusty Burt's Bees. This is literally the best chapstick ever. You have used so many chapsticks, so many brands, and a lot of the brands burn my lips by the end of like the day, and the Burt's Bees never leaves like a burning feeling. And especially it's winter and you need to keep the lips moisturized in case. Okay, then I also keep these in my bag. These are the Refi lip glosses. This one has the metal tip, and this is just a regular gloss. As you can see, and it's kind of nice because the metal tip is cooling on your mouth, on your lips. So there's that one, and then I carry this one specifically in winter because it has kind of like a exfoliating tip, which is really nice, especially when your lips, like, let's face it, sometimes in the winter your lips are like super dry and like flaky, not flaky, but like peeling. I don't know if that happens to anyone else, but my lips love to peel in the winter. So this one is also one of my favorites. Sometimes I'll just put this on and then I'll wipe it off and then put my chapstick on, and my lips feel baby smooth after. And then the last things in my makeup pouch, or my makeup pocket, are a hair elastic, of course, a little baby hair clip in case I need to pin my hair back. I usually wear my hair down like a lot of the times, just because I get really bad migraines and I don't like to put up my hair. And then I have this lip liner. I like to usually do like chapstick, then I'll fill in my lips with lip liner instead of lip gloss. Not instead of lip gloss, instead of lipstick. I find that it just looks better on me. And this is the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. This is my go-to. And then I'll make sure that I have some sort of an eyeliner so that I can cover my upper waterline or the outer edges of my eye. And usually in a brown shade. I'll switch them out sometimes. I'll have like a black, but usually I'll have a brown pencil, just because I've been hearing a lot about dark eyes looking the prettiest with brown like eyeliner or brown mascara, things like that. So that's the last of my makeup pocket. Okay, then for moisturizer, I like to bring my Le Labo Santal 33. It's just a travel size and it fits in my bag, so I love it, and also it smells delicious. If you are not familiar with Le Labo, okay, it is pricey, but their scents are scrumptious. They just remind me of like the Public Hotel in New York City. I don't know if anybody's been there before, but it just smells so amazing. This is my go-to lotion scent from them. Now we're gonna go to the back side zipper, where in here we get a little more technical. Actually, there's a few more makeup products. Okay, so I have my Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. And this one is in the shade 100 Translucent. And this is such, if you are not familiar with the Fit Me, this is just a drugstore product. You can find this anywhere, pharmacy, Walmart, Target. This Fit Me powder is so good for fine lines under your eyes. If you're oily throughout the day, you just pat a little bit and your face just looks brand new. So I love carrying this. Okay, another product that I usually carry with me in my bag is this hair wax stick. I just got this off of Amazon. They have the bedhead one at Ulta, and I'm pretty sure there's a few other brands too, but I just grabbed this one off of Amazon. This kind of looks like all the other ones, it just has a different name to it. But this is just the wax stick. And if you have a slick back, this is really good for keeping the flyaways down. But for me specifically, I have kind of frizzy hair. So even when I have hair like this, if there's like little baby hairs sticking up at the top, this is really good. I'll just put them down. Also, it's really good if you have staticky straight hair. This will put down those little flyaways that you have there too. So I just like to carry this no matter if I have straight hair, curly hair, whatever my hair looks like that day. Slick back, out. This one's really good just for keeping down those little hairs. Moving on, I carry this tiny little CeraVe sunscreen. It's SPF 50. There's like no explanation necessary. It's just like a little, it looks like a little deodorant stick. Okay, for all my migraine girlies, I also keep a little tube of Tylenol just in case, you never know. I do get them a lot. I don't know why. I do need to get that checked out, but trusty Tylenol. And then the last two things on my zipper pocket, this box really just, you know when something's been in your purse for so long and it just goes through like the worst, because sometimes purses become bottomless pits. This is Topstick. For those of you who don't know what this is a like double-sided fashion tape. Stick something to your body, hold a strap in place. Sometimes even if I'm wearing sling back pointed heels and like the sling back part keeps falling down and doesn't stay in place, I'll put one of these in the back of my ankle, and it'll hold the strap in place. But this basically will hold your clothes in place for the day. This is really good. A lot of stylists use this for photo shoots or just styling their clients. But yeah, this is always an amazing product to have in your bag. for anyone. And then in the zipper pocket, last but not least, I just have a pair of wired headphones. I carry the wired headphones that have the dongle attached to it so that it can go into my phone or it can go into my laptop, because it has the microphone and you can talk into it. Okay, now we're getting into the pit of my bag. I'm like, just gonna show you one more time my bag in case you forgot, because you're only seeing the top of it. Okay, so now we're in the middle of my bag, and I will just show you what I was about to talk to you about. So I also carry my Beats in my bag, and I just love listening to music out of these. I don't prefer the wire headphones, but if I'm working and I need something like a little less bulky that I can just like remove quickly, the wire headphones come in handy. But I prefer to listen on my Beats. These are the Studio 3. These are my favorite, and I love that they fold. Okay, this one's super funny, and everybody always laughs at me when I take this out, but this is my little fan. I love her. I got her at H&M, but you can literally get these anywhere. I'm sure they even have them at the dollar store. I get hot really quickly. I don't like being hot. I love being cold. I love being cool. I love not sweating. And have a little bit of a sweating problem, I feel like. So I bring this everywhere, especially work. And so just I can fan myself off really quickly. My trusty little hand fan. Okay. Then I carry just some practical items. I like to carry my face tissues. I just added this one the other day. Just face tissues. I have dry eye, so I tend to cry a lot in the fall and winter, especially because of the cold winds. And then also just, like I said, I'm oily, so I do also like to blot my face with the facial tissues. And along with that and dry eyes, I do have this these eye drops. These are so good if you have dry eyes or red eye. This is the Max Strength Roto, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced. Okay. And this relieves redness, and they're lubricant eye drops. It has a cooling effect. It almost feels like your eyeballs just like dove into the ocean or something. But for me, I have really dry eyes. My eyes get itchy and watery, and I cry a lot in the wintertime. These are so good. Just girl things. Okay, super simple. I have my wallet. I'm looking for a new wallet. Don't worry, guys. This is not a reflection of me. It might be a reflection of my money, but it's not a reflection of me. I'm waiting for Black Friday though. I want to buy a really nice like card holder or something less bulky, because I don't really carry cash anymore. I just have a bunch of cards. I am looking for a really nice card holder or wallet for Black Friday when they're all on sale. If you have any recommendations of like really pretty card holders, let me know in the comments. But yes, my wallet, of course. We take our phones everywhere with us. So obviously my phone's always in my bag. It wasn't in now because I was just on it before I started this video, but phone, can you see? So usually every year I'll make a new collage for my phone background, and then it says M, and then underneath I put what you're not changing, you're choosing, and that's just every time it lights up I can remember that quote, and that is important to remember. So if you're complaining about something and you're not changing it, you're choosing it. This is my trusty charger, of course. I literally don't go anywhere without it, especially for work. A lot of people text me while I'm working, so charger. And last but not least, I can't believe I got through this whole bag already. Last but not least, I always carry the book that I'm currently reading, and this is because I don't know if I'll be in like a waiting room or if I'll end up somewhere where I'm just sitting, or for lunch if I am not doing like a working lunch and I don't sit at my desk. I like to go to the caf at work and start reading. Or even if I'm waiting for Anthony, I usually pick him up at the train station or drop him off in Boston, whatever it is. Sometimes I'll have to wait for him a little while, and then this is just a good way to not be on my phone and pass the time. This book is called Entitlement. I just went with my friends upstate and we stopped at a little town before we went to the farm, and there was this really pretty little bookstore, and so I picked this up there. I haven't started it yet. I just put this in my bag like a few days ago, and I haven't had a chance to get to it yet. I'm gonna keep it in my bag because I know this week at work I'm going to be needing this. So this is the book that I currently have in there, but it sounds really juicy, so we'll keep you posted. And that is all that I had in my bag. My fall winter juicy little chocolatey little bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing what is inside my bag, and let me know in the comments if there's any other videos that you would like to see from me. I have a full list of ones that I'm going to be filming for you guys, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on those. And like I said, me and Anthony are going to be finding a new home. We're going to be in search and touring some places soon within the next few months, so if you don't want to miss out on the home vlog, like finding a home vlogs, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked my bag. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.